I know your heart, I know your vibe. And you know your role. Got you.
You got me.
We got y'all. What up, Kang Gang? We're here with another challenge. Pop the balloon challenge.
Kenya. You just forgot to introduce yourself, huh?
Oh, I did introduce myself.
What you said?
I said, what up, Kang Gang? It's your boy, JK.
No, you did. You tried to put that in.
Well, what up, Kang Gang? It's your boy, JK.
And it's your girl, Kenya.
And we're here with another challenge, Pop the Balloon Challenge.
Yay! It's called Pop the Balloon Challenge.
So, the point is, I guess how we gotta do this is,
get in different positions and try to pop the balloon.
Well, I just think it's getting behind.
Oh, just doing it that way. We can do it that way either way. We take turns behind each other.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do it like that.
I don't know what you're talking about, different positions, guys. Just, I don't know. But first and most, we just want to
thank everybody for following us. Subscribing to our channel. We love you guys so much, Gang Gang. We're trying to stay strong. Invite some more. Family needs to grow, so let's grow.
We want to be a growing family. So let's get into this video.
Let's get into it.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this. We do have a timer somewhere on the screen. Yeah.
It's gonna be somewhere.
It's 10 minutes. We're gonna try to pop 20 balloons in 10 minutes.
I think we got it.
Yeah, we can do it, Kang Gang.
I got a nice thrust.
I'll try to thrust.
Let's go. Come on. Alright. So
okay.
Am I gonna go first?
Yeah, as soon as I start the timer. I wonder if that's gonna hurt.
Oh, come on. You got it. Oh, no. Come on, man.
That hurts, guys.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. You got it. Come on. We got this. Come on. Come on, baby.
That's hard.
No more lock doors. No more lock doors. I put your hip into it, right? Come on. We got this. What are you doing? I don't know. Come on, we got 7 minutes. We got this. We finna beat it. Come on. Yeah, we got it. Probably. I don't know. That was fun, you guys. I swear.
It stings. It stings.
It was so much fun, though.
I like my cloudy clothes I got on. Well, right now we missed up Hurricane Harvey.
Hoping that everybody is safe.
It's been raining and flooding in Houston, so Houstonians, stay safe.
Trying to keep everybody that's
dry.
watching, in good spirit. And,
doing fun things like this for you guys while it's just thundering. Share with your friends, get them a laugh.
Because a day wasted without laughing. I mean, I said our slogan totally wrong. A day
without laughter
is a day wasted. So that was the balloon challenge. Y'all stay tuned for story time.
Yeah, story time.
It'll be coming up right after this.
Maybe he gonna do my makeup. I don't know, cause he don't.
Girl, I hate you on fleek.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Yeah,
and
like subscribe, share.
Ooh, baby, I need a haircut, baby.
Boy, my hair ain't done. Y'all, I think I'm gonna do something drastic to my hair. What y'all think? I should do something different. I know I need to get it trimmed because I've been natural for like a while now. But
oh, we going into too much. Hey, make sure y'all hit that comment. Y'all comment down there so we can respond to y'all, and y'all hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Yeah, we love you guys, and we also have a giveaway each milestone we reach on subscribers. So go ahead and look, it's gonna be in the description below, and follow us on Twitter at _Kang_gang. That's KANGGANG _. Woo! Follow us on Twitter, guys. We love you guys so much.